Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Autoentry and Easy Month End. It's about automating your bookkeeping. Are you tired of drowning in receipts and manual data entry? Well, this year automation is king, but which tool reigns supreme for cleaning up your books? Today we are hacking through the clutter with a showdown between two heavyweights, Autoentry versus Easy Month End. Let's get to it. Let's look at the superpower. Autoentry is a data extraction ninja, masters of grabbing data from any scan or photo, while Easy Month End is the reconciliation rockstar. Is a genius at snatching transactions and closing your books fast. Let's look at who or what you're best for. Autoentry is best for sole traders and small businesses who get piles of paper, receipts, and invoices. While Easy Month End is best for growing businesses and accountants who need a clear final picture each month. When we look at how it works, Autoentry is quite simple. Snap, upload, and forget it. It feeds clean data into your accounting software like Xero and QBO. While Easy Month End, how do you do it? Connect, review, and approve. It works inside your software to automate the month end process. Now, what is the goal? For Autoentry, the goal is to eliminate data entry. It's all about getting the information in correctly the first time. While Easy Month End eliminates stress, it's all about ensuring everything is reconciled and accurate for reporting. Let's look at the vibe. Autoentry is your super-powered digital filing cabinet, while Easy Month End is your automated virtual bookkeeping assistant. So which one is your financial sidekick? Think of it this way. Autoentry is your first line of defense. It stops the paper chaos at the door. Easy Month End is your finishing move. It takes that clean data and ties everything together in a perfect bow at month's end. So, do you need help at the start of the process or the end? Give this video a thumbs up if you are leaning towards Autoentry's extraction magic, and subscribe for more breakdowns if Easy Month End's reconciliation power caught your eye. Let us know your winner in the comments and go conquer your bookkeeping. See you next time.